There's a lot to look at in QuickBooks, but getting to the information you need the most is pretty easy. As soon as you log in, you'll see the most important information about your business right away. On the dashboard, QuickBooks shows your profit and loss and how much you've spent, and what people owe you. You can create invoices and just about anything else from the Plus menu. Once you've created a bunch of invoices and checks, you may need to find one. Click Search and enter the check number, date, or amount. QuickBooks has lots of good stuff on the left navigation bar. Under Invoicing, you can see your customers, sales, and products and services you are selling for your business. You can also get to QuickBooks Reports here on the left. One more place you can look for things is the gear icon at the top right. You probably won't need to use these tools as often, but it's good to know that they're there. You can get to your company settings and your QuickBooks account info here. This is also where you can find advanced accounting tools like Reconcile, budgeting, and the audit log. Feel free to explore. Click on things even though you don't recognize them right away. This is your QuickBooks. Get comfortable.